Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Merchant here with your outlook for December 26th, 2016. Hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas and Hanukkah. If you're continuing to celebrate, obviously that's still ongoing. We have today we're going to have a system moving in from the west. It's going to have a warm front associated with it. Very weak frontal boundary here, though, with a system very far away from us. So the forcing is going to be a lot closer to where that low pressure is. But there will be a warm front that's going to be moving through this morning, and when it does so, it's going to have a few isolated showers with it. This is not going to be a big deal. The National Weather Service has freezing rain advisories over a good portion of the interior. But as we go over to the NAM high-res future simulated radar, this starts off at about 8 o'clock in the morning here. You can see how light and spotty this is. This is very, very light. I want you to keep an eye on here. This is the 32-degree line here, and anything north of this line right here is 32 or less. Okay, so this is all 32 or less up here, and so is this up here. So any precipitation, even if it's very, very light, which I think it will be running into this colder air where you could have some freezing rain or drizzle. This is going to be very, very light rain and freezing drizzle. So any freezing rain that occurs up in this area where it's under 32 will obviously stick to cold surfaces and freeze, and then you would have freezing rain. The thing is, though, it's only going to be anything. The upside of this potential for this freezing rain would be up to 0.05 of an inch of freezing rain, which is not much at all. But it doesn't take much to cause issues. So just be careful in some of these usual colder spots. Here's 10 o'clock in the morning, still showing 32 degrees in places like Williamsport, up here to Wilkes-Barre, Scranton, all the way down to Allentown here. Which is pretty far south for 10 a.m., so it'll still be 32. And then, of course, northern New Jersey. But you can see these little spotty, hit or miss, very light. This is basically indicating to me there could be some spotty drizzle or maybe a light shower moving through. Not a big deal, but again, if it's below 32, that will be a big deal. So this does go above freezing as we get toward the afternoon hours here for most areas, and at that point you just have spotty showers left over as we head toward the evening. And then during the overnight hours, we will have another round of rain that's going to come through, showers that are going to come through with the actual cold front that's going to be, for the most part, after midnight, overnight tonight. So we take this through here, through the day here today, and again, just a few showers rolling that warm front. It will be have some isolated areas of icing with those showers that fall in areas that are below 32, and then the other cold front that's going to move through in the overnight into early Tuesday morning. So I do think you have a leftover shower Tuesday morning. And the temperatures are going to increase ahead of this front as we get into the overnight period. We're going to have temperatures really surge well into the 50s. As a matter of fact, by the time we get to early in the morning, it'll be 8 o'clock in the morning, and temperatures will be about 50 to 55 range for many locations. So it's going to be very warm, surging ahead of that front. And then once the front clears during the afternoon hours, we will start getting temperatures to start dropping off, and they're going to drop off quite rapidly, actually, so that by the time we get to Tuesday night, we get down below freezing again in many spots. And then Wednesday, we are back to near normal temperatures for this time of year, with high pressure and control off to our south. So a nice day as far as no weather. We're going to watch here then. Wednesday night into Thursday morning could have, I know this is the GFS not showing very much, we could have a few rain/snow showers. Again, not looking like a big deal right now, but we'll keep an eye on it just in case. It could give you some minor accumulations for areas that are going to be cold enough to support snow, which I do think will be a bigger area than GFS is indicating here. This is looking at early in the morning. You see the 32-degree line pretty far south. So anything that does come in, if it does come in that early, will be in the form of snow this time. Mixture of rain and snow showers, we'll call it, during the day here on Thursday. And then behind it on Friday and Saturday, we're back to maybe a few isolated snow showers, lake effect type stuff here behind the front. And then it's going to be much colder here for both Friday and Saturday, back down to normal or maybe even slightly below normal temperatures for this time of year as we head into Friday and Saturday of this week. But I do think it remains dry. We're going to watch another system that's going to come in here. It looks like right around the 1st, right around New Year's. But again, a lot of uncertainties with this, whether or not it's going to be rain or snow or both. And it looks light right now. Anyway, the GFS is not very enthused as it was a few days ago when we were looking at this. and it was showing a more potent system. This is not the case right now. It's kind of trending weaker as time goes on, but we'll keep this under close watch just in case. This looks like this is New Year's Eve right here, right around the time the ball drops, according to the GFS, and you got some interior snow showers up in here, maybe some rain showers further south. But again, a lot to be figured out yet. This is still going out until past our normal window here, so we'll keep an eye on this week. But we're going to focus on Thursday first, because we do have those the potential for some rain or snow showers in the morning that could provide a few slick spots at least early on in the day on Thursday. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marters. That is your outlook for December 26, 2016. Have a great Monday.